So one of the most popular food items that you will find in almost all Garifuna household is consomme. Consomme is an item that we use to season all of our meats, including our poultry, our fish, our beefs, and everything like that. There's a variation of consomme. They have the chicken consomme, they have the seafood consomme, and they also have the beef consomme. Not to mention they also have the garlic consomme. So it just adds flavor to the food and just, to me, makes everything, taste better. Like my mom would say, a little bit of consomme goes a long way and it gives your food gumption.
All right. So that's one of the popular items. Let's jump to our next popular item found in the Garifuna household.
Another thing that you'll find common is achote or red Ricardo. Again, that adds depth to your food. It just makes it more rich. It gives it an earthy taste. And it's available in any mercado, any market. It's just really, really delicious, and it just adds flavor to the food. I recall one time when I first relocated to Long Beach, I was looking for achote, and I went to the store, and I was trying to look for it at a regular, everyday market, not knowing that I had to go to basically a Latino market or sometimes a Filipino market. So I was asking for achote, and they're like, "Oh, we don't know what that is," And then I said it in English. I said red Ricardo, red Ricardo. So they're like, "Oh, red Ricardo? Okay, just 1 minute." And next thing you know, they brought this guy over to me whose name was Ricardo. So it was hysterical. We both laughed about it. And I was like, no, I wasn't asking for a guy named Ricardo. I was asking for this particular item, So that's a cute little story I wanted to share.